Hello, Ventura County family. Public education is here and exists to provide a free, appropriate, and public education to all students. The summer months are always full of planning and enthusiasm, preparing for the first day of school, where students come and receive a quality education and educational programming. This year, the school system is having to incorporate and prepare for students to come that may have been experiencing trauma associated with the increased amount of ICE raids in our community that have resulted in hundreds of adult contributing community members that have been detained as a result of these raids. What happens when this occurs? Children are left without their mother, father, and in some cases both, living with family members or neighbors that are stepping in and preparing for life's crisis that is before them, and also for the upcoming school year. The demands on counseling services, mental health services that deal with this trauma for those directly impacted is great. The need for services to address the trauma for those of us that support the education system is also great. I want to remind everyone that everyone in the school system is committed to ensure a safe and quality education for all students, as every single student, regardless of ethnicity, nationality, or citizenship, is entitled to a free, appropriate, and public education in our system. We are ready for you. We want you to come. We want you to feel safe while you're here. School officials do not release individual personal information of our students and do not release our students' custody to any ICE immigration agent without a judicial warrant. Everybody is trained to follow that protocol, and we encourage everyone to be a good neighbor. There's people in our community that are hurting, and we're trying to all find ways to support this valuable part of our community in any way that we can, formally, through our education system, through the legal system, through the county system, through the state system, as we're trying to protect a vital component of our society. They are our neighbors. They are part of the Ventura County family, and I want to let you know that the school system is prepared to receive everyone with open arms, as we always do, and celebrate that first day of school. We ask you to encourage your neighbors and remind them that schools are a safe place to be, where we will not only provide a quality educational experience, but we have numerous staff members that'll be a conduit to services that our students need and our families need when they need it the most. And right now is the time. Please help out your school districts or community organizations as we help each other.